You see this fighter jet in the sky. But have you ever wondered how it is actually built?
Using virtual wind tunnels, engineers test speed, lift, and stability long before the jet becomes real.
Everything starts on a screen. Engineers design the aircraft digitally before a single piece of metal is cut.
A fighter jet must handle extreme forces. Every structure is calculated for maximum strength. Fighter jets are built using special alloys and composites designed to be strong, light, and heat-resistant.
Computer-controlled machines cut every panel with accuracy measured in microns.
Carbon fiber composites reduce weight while maintaining extreme strength.
Robots assemble the main body sections with perfect alignment and consistency. The wings are engineered for lift, speed, and weapon support. Route the blue conduit through Section C.
Confirm, Section C, checking alignment now.
The data shows a minor inconsistency on panel 7B.
The structural integrity is still within tolerance, but let's rescan that section. Laser systems ensure the aircraft shape meets exact aerodynamic standards. Special sealants protect the aircraft from heat, pressure, and moisture.
The laser scan shows a perfect alignment here. Yes, the riveting is precise. We are clear for the next phase.
Final check on the joints complete.
Everything is nominal. We can sign off on this section. This section of the turbine needs revision before manufacturing.
Agreed. Let's zoom in on the cooling ducts.
Each blade is machined with accuracy measured in microns.
The turbine core is assembled careful to maintain perfect balance. Thousands of components come together to form a single powerful engine. The engine is now ready to be installed into the aircraft.
Final security check complete.
Roger that. Ejection seat installed.
The latch is engaged. Check the telemetry on your end.
All systems reporting nominal.
System diagnostics complete. Status is green. Confirmed. Uploading the stability report now.
Look at the reduction here at the leading edge.
Rerunning the thermal cycle now.
Readings are optimal across the spectrum.
Check the forward sensor readings on channel 3.
Reading steady at 40,000 pounds. It's perfectly balanced.
Before flight, every surface and system is inspected one last time. All onboard systems are powered on and checked for errors.
The engine is started and monitored for perfect performance.
The aircraft accelerates to near takeoff speed for testing.
This is the moment the fighter jet leaves the ground for the first time.
Pilots test handling, speed, and stability in the air.
The jet returns safely, marking a successful first flight.
All systems are nominal, Admiral. Very well.
This aircraft is certified for service.
Tow bar secure. Confirm brakes released.
Brakes released. Ready for transfer.
Roger. Commence movement.
From raw materials to one of the most advanced machines ever built.
Every bolt, every system, and every layer is engineered for one mission: Haven, air dominance.